My name is Jim Morey. I work for a company called Exatron. We're here located in San Jose, California, the heart of Silicon Valley. We make automatic handling equipment for integrated circuits. Our parts go down to like 1.5 millimeters, so they're very small. So we really need equipment that can actually manufacture very precise and accurate parts and repeat those processes. So we purchased our first FeatureCAM license back in 2003. Their products are very adaptable to what we do here. So if we have a product that has to run overnight, we can actually post out a tool breakage detection so we can actually run a mill over the night. Throughout the years, I've always had the same support. I can always call them up and they'll give me an answer and talk me through it, help me if I don't understand something, they'll help work with me. Today now, they log onto my computer with team viewers so they can actually see what my problems are and actually help solve my problems currently. The other great thing about FeatureCAM is the different types of posts I can get. If they don't get a generic post that I can actually work with, they'll actually create a custom post for one of my machines. So our first Mazak machine we bought was back in 1992. It was an old AJV, which is now still running in our shop today. It's a great, dependable machine. The reason why I bought that mill is because Mazak was one of the first companies that developed linear ways in their CNC machines. When I bought Mazak and I bought FeatureCAM products, I bought them because of what they gave me. They gave me good quality, good service, and a good relationship with me, the customer. I did not know that the two companies would actually work together to make a better product for the customer, which makes me very happy. As far as FeatureCAM goes, it's a very easy system to learn and use. It's very intuitive, it's very strong and powerful. I program a lot of the parts here, but a lot of my machines are able to program the parts too. They like it, they've used other systems, and they really like FeatureCAM over all the other systems that they've used. Sometimes we get jobs in there that have to be rushed out right away, and we can't afford any downtime. So we get support, keeping our machines up running, keeping our software going, just keeps the company going.